This is a closer look at the KeyBudz Covert mount for the Apple AirTag. This is what you get right here in the packaging. You get this covert mount right here. It's got the two-way tape on here, so you're gonna be able to stick this to wherever you're looking to conceal it. And then this right here is just to open up the inside here. So let's say it's got like a waterproof, secure design here. So you open it up. It's gonna open it up just like that. And this is made specifically for the AirTag. So you can see here, just fits in here. You're just gonna basically just put it back on here. And once you have it sealed up here, you could just pull off this this tape here, and you could just put it wherever you want, and you could hide it basically. So this way, if you're looking to put this in a vehicle or somewhere, it's going to be able to be stuck underneath somewhere and not come loose, because this is going to be very tight here. I assume you could probably use like a quarter in here if you had to, but this looks like it would go on a keychain as well. So this is just a really unique item here. So it just opens and closes very easily, but this looks like a really cool item. I was looking to conceal an AirTag, so this is exactly what I needed here. But overall, really nice packaging. So this is the KeyBudz Covert mount for the AirTag.